that you eat for today?
I eat uh, fried rice.
Fried rice. Okay. Did you cook it or you buy it, sir?
I um, I buy fried rice.
You buy the fried rice. Okay. Where do you buy the fried rice, sir?
Can you one more time, miss? Can you repeat
Okay.
one?
Okay, sir. So, where do you buy the fried rice?
I buy uh, opposite my house.
Opposite your house. Oh, so it's close
Yes, close near my house.
near your house. Okay, that's great. So, what is your plan for today, sir? On Monday, what do you want to do?
I want to uh, I want to uh, learn more.
Learn
And
more.
I want to learn more. English.
Okay, very great. And how about your last weekend, sir? Did you go somewhere for your last week?
Yes, I went. I went uh, lapang golf, field golf
Mm, Oh, golf field?
field.
Oh, golf field. Very great. And what else, sir? Only went to the golf field?
Uh, what, miss? Can you repeat?
Okay. What else after went to the golf field? Did you go somewhere else?
I went around in my city. Yeah.
Okay, like took a walk. Okay, very great, sir. And for today's lesson, we have about let's go on holidays. So we are going to talk about some activities for holiday and also some structures. So we have this question. Here is the question, and I will ask you for the question. The first one: what do you like doing when you go on holiday? What is your answer for this question, sir?
Oh, what do you like doing? I like doing exercise like jogging, play football, volleyball, like that.
Okay, very
Shopee!
good. So
Ada
you
order
like
baru
doing
Shopee Food.
exercise when you go on
Shopee! Ada
holiday.
order
So
baru Shopee Food.
for the place, sir, where do you like to
Shopee!
go
Ada order baru Shopee Food.
exercise?
I exercise center.
In sports center, very great. And is it far from your house, sir, the sports center?
Uh, about 15 minutes to go there.
Oh, about 15 minutes to go there. Okay. And how often do you go exercise? Is it every weekend or
We
something?
weekend.
Every weekend. Okay, great. So this is for the question, what do you like doing? So it is asking about the activities. And if we want to ask about the place, we can change what become where. Nah, ini dia kalau kita menanyakan tempat, pakainya where, kalau aktivitasnya pakai what. Where do you like, tapi ininya ganti jadi going juga. Nah, where do you like going when you go on holiday untuk tempat, kalau yang ini untuk activity. And ada satu lagi mungkin dengan pakai who. Who do you like going when you go on holiday? So, how about you, sir? Who do you like going when you go on holiday?
Who do you like going when you? Hmm. What is the meaning the sentence, Miss? Who do you
I
like?
who. Kalau who itu kan siapa, right, sir? Kalau ini tadi di mana, ini tadi ngapain, activity apa. Kalau who dengan siapa, atau mungkin ditambah with-nya biar lebih jelas di sini. Nah, with who, dengan siapa kamu suka pergi berlibur, something like that. Ketika kamu pergi liburan. So, how about you, sir? With who do you like going when you are holiday?
I usually go with my friend.
Mm, my friends, and only with friends, sir.
Yeah.
All right.
With friend, friend.
Mm, with friends. Okay, very good. So this is about the questions for the warm up. And let's see for the name of the places here. We have five that we need to match. Let's see number one. What is that, sir, in number one?
Number one, I think is mountain.
Very good. Number one is mountain. Number two,
Two, uh, it's a lake.
it's a
That
lake.
number three is village.
Village. Four.
Uh, four, amusement park.
Okay, very good. Amusement park. And the last one.
Number five is beach.
Okay, number five is beach. Very good, right, sir? So in this one, we have five places. And I will ask you maybe two questions first. If we go to the beach, sir, what can we do on the beach?
We can go swim and make some
Hmm?
rumah istana pasir namanya.
Oh, sandcastle.
Primo.
Yeah, we can build a sandcastle. Okay. Kita dapat membangun, build itu untuk membangun a sandcastle. Okay, very good, sir. This is for the activity on the beach. How about if we go to the mountain, sir? What can we do in the mountain?
We can do go hiking or camping.
Hiking or camping in the mountain. Okay, very great. And have you ever been to amusement park, sir? Apakah sudah pernah ke amusement park, taman bermain?
Yes, yes, I have.
Very good. And What did you do there, sir?
Uh, I usually play uh, a machine casino.
Okay, casino machine, something like that.
Or fishing.
Oh, fishing?
Fishing yang ada kayak anak-anak itu pakai
Oh,
mata.
oh yeah, like a fishing game.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Very great, sir. All right. So this is about the place, and if you have to choose one, sir, one for your favorite place to go, what is your favorite place, sir?
I uh, favorite place ya.
Favorite place.
I like beach.
You like beach here? Okay, very good. Right. So this is about our place's name. Very good, sir. And this one is about like the activity dengan pertanyaan what to do, apa yang bisa dilakukan when you go on holiday. We need to choose, kita pilih untuk masing-masing tempat di sini. So, in number one, sir, what could be the sentence?
What miss?
Number one, kira-kira activity-nya yang mana, sir? Apakah go hiking, go on roller coaster? Di sini kita ada mountains. Berarti kalau mountains, activity-nya?
I go hiking in the Black Mountain.
Okay, go hiking. And number two?
Uh, I visit a farm in the Popui village.
Good. Three.
I go surfing at the Long Beach.
Okay, very good.
Number four, I go canoeing at Lake Geneva.
Hmm,
Number I go on a roller coaster in an amusement park.
Okay, I go on a roller coaster in an amusement park. Very great. So, canoeing itu sama dengan berdayung, something like that. Kalau mau pakai perahu, canoeing. Karena canoe itu asalnya dari sini, sir. Wait, mana tadi? So, canoe itu asalnya dari canoeing ini asalnya dari canoe yang artinya sampan. Nah, sampan. Lalu kalau kita pakai canoeing jadinya activity-nya yaitu berdayung in the canoe, something like that. And this is for the activity. I will ask you one questions. What activities that you have done before?
Visit a
Hmm? Visit a farm? Only one, sir?
farm and go hiking to
Go hiking too. That's it.
that's it.
Okay, very good, right, sir. So that is for this one. And now let's sit together, sir, for the activity here about the listening practice. I will play. We need to fill in the blanks. 8 words. So let's listen.
When I love being alone in nature.
When I go on holiday, I love going surfing at some beach. The seawater is so cool.
When I go on holiday, I enjoy going canoeing at the lake near my house. My family usually goes there with me, and we can go fishing and have a barbecue on the bank.
When I go on holiday with my family, we always go to an amusement park. However, I hate riding the roller coaster there.
Okay, do you get all of the answers?
I think I get
You get, sir. Okay. Let's see number one. You can read the conversation, sir, and fill in the blanks.
when I go on holiday, I going hiking in the mountain. I
Okay.
love fun in nature.
Okay,
When
hiking the mountain. And Lily?
I go on holiday, I love going surfing at some beach. The seawater is so cool, so good. When I go on uh, hiking, canoeing at the lake near my house. My family usually goes there with me, and we can go fishing and have a barbecue on the bank. When
Okay. And
we always go to an amusement park. However, I hate riding the roller coaster there.
okay, very great. So, for the structures, we have when I go on holiday first, and then we add the activity, aktivitasnya. Okay, and then we add the place name, nama tempatnya. So that is about the review here. And this is for the structure, sir. If we want to explain about what do we like, kalau kita mau menjelaskan kegiatan yang kita suka, kita bisa pakai I like, I love, atau I enjoy. Tapi kalau tidak suka boleh pakai I hate, atau kita ganti jadi negatif, jadinya I don't like, atau I don't love, atau I don't enjoy. Dengan catatan, setelah kita tambahkan ke kalimat yang ini, I like, I love, I enjoy, I hate, dan sebagainya, itu ditambahkan dengan verb ing. Nah, jadi aktivitasnya itu kita ganti jadi pakai ing akhirannya. Nah, going, riding. Jadi misalnya bukan I like swim, tapi kita tambahkan ingnya jadinya I like swimming. Atau misalnya for example I don't like paint. Nah, paintnya ini kurang tepat jadinya kita tambahkan ing. Mengapa demikian, Sir? Karena di sini kan dia menjelaskan like itu kan dia merupakan verb juga, Sir. Nah, verb itu dia dalam satu kalimat harusnya ada hanya satu. Nah, karena ini sudah ada verbnya, ini juga mau kita tambahkan verb, right? Harusnya kan kita tambahkan verb juga karena yang mau kita jelaskan itu adalah activity. Jadi tidak boleh dia berurutan verb dan verb, makanya kita tambahkan ing agar verb ini berganti jadi noun. Nah, dia nanti sifatnya itu akan berganti jadi noun. Jadi paintingnya ini itu bukan menjelaskan kegiatan yang sedang kita lakukan, tapi menjelaskan nama dari kegiatannya. Makanya kita perlu tambahkan ing. I don't like painting. I like swimming. Nah, makanya kita tambahkan ing di sini. Okay, so that is for this one. Jadinya kita pilih choose verb ing to complete the rules. Nah, jadi pakai ing untuk nama kegiatannya. Berarti misalnya, Sir, kalau kita mau sebut saya suka mengunjungi peternakan. How do we say that, sir?
I like the farm.
I like
I like fishing farm.
visiting. Ya, jadi visitnya akan kita tambahkan ing, jadinya I like visiting the farm. Nah, that is for the review for this one, sir. Oke, ini untuk strukturnya. And do you have any questions, sir?
No question, my teacher.
Okay, very great, sir. And now let's do for the practice here about the verb ing. Let's read and then choose. Kira-kira dia yang benar itu yang mana? So, number one.
Number one, I love visiting a village when I go on holiday. When I travel there, I don't staying. I stay hotel. I enjoy staying with locals. When I am in their home, I can learn more about their lives. What's my perfect trip? Definitely not at a lake because I hate going canoeing with other people or doing any group activity. When I go on holiday, I enjoy riding a bike along the beach. I prefer to spend time with myself.
Okay, very great. So, 1, 3, 4, 5, all of them using ing dan sudah benar semua, sir, untuk 1, 3, 4, 5. Let's see number 2. Nah, yang number 2 ini ada I don't. Right, sir? Masih I don't. For example, kan kita kalau menyebut saya tidak suka pakai I don't like. Jadi kan setelah don't itu kita lihat verbnya itu yang kita tambahkan verb one. Nah, setelah verb one ini baru kita tambahkan verb ing. Jadi kalimatnya itu misalnya I don't like traveling, for example. Sedangkan di sini kalimatnya itu baru sampai I don't. Belum ada like-nya. Jadi di sini itu yang harus kita tambahkan verb one-nya dulu, sir. Saya tidak, nah tidak apa kira-kira? Tidak menetap. Nah, menetapnya itu yang A, B, atau C, sir, kira-kira. Kalau kita mau perlu verb one.
Stay.
Yes, very good. I don't like stay. I don't stay. I don't stay at a hotel. Kecuali dia ada I don't like, ada like-nya, baru kita pilih yang staying ini. Sementara karena ini belum ada kata kerjanya, kita pilih yang verb one dulu. Makanya ini pakai stay. Okay, so that is for this one, sir. Any questions?
What do you like doing, my teacher?
When it's holiday.
Your holiday?
Okay, so when it's holiday, I like to go to some places, maybe like a restaurant or like a shopping center with my family or with my friends. Or when it's like a holiday, like only 2 days holiday, I usually only stay in my house, something like that, to take a rest, like watching movie, watching YouTube. Okay, so yeah, that is for the holiday. Okay, so any other questions, sir?
Oh,
No. Okay, very great, sir. And now let's sit together here. We have like a practice and we need to match it. Let's see for the conversation, sir. We need to choose from A, B, C, D, E, F. Number 1. Can you read and choose?
Hi, are you excited about our company trip tomorrow? Of course, I love traveling. So do I. How often do you go on holiday a year? Not quite often. Thought I only go on holiday once a year. It's B. Oh, really? Why? I'm too busy with work and family. How about you? Hmm. Do you often go on holiday? It's E. Yes, I do. I see. Yes, I do. I travel once every 2 or 3 months. It's F. Uh, Where do you often go on holiday? It's A. Go on holiday in the mountains because I love hiking. What do you do often go on holiday? I love beaches. My family and I usually go holiday there and we love going surfing together. That's great. Anyway, see you tomorrow. See you.
Okay, very great, sir. So in this conversation, we have some question. Ini tadi pertanyaan yang pertama tentang nama tempat. Lalu ada tentang sering atau tidaknya, seberapa sering, frekuensi, pakai how often. Jadi kalau pakai how often itu jawabannya bervariasi, bisa misalnya once a year, 2 times a month, atau mungkin boleh pakai yang usually, seldom, atau sometimes, something like that. Yang ini juga untuk kalimat tanya pendeknya, do you often go on holiday, sering atau tidak saja. Nah, that is for this one. And now, let's see for our next practice, sir. We have like about listening and reading practice here. Let's start from this one. Here, one audio, and let's see for the correct explanation.
A. She loves going surfing. C. A lot of people are surfing. D. Many people are watching her surfing.
Okay, sir, do you get number one?
Yes, I do. I think it's she loves going surfing.
Okay. A, B, C, or D, sir, for the option?
B. It's B.
Hmm. B, very good. She loves going surfing. Very good. And let's see for number two. One picture, three options, and we need to hear the question or the statement, and we need to choose the correct response.
How on holiday twice a year? B. He doesn't go on holiday this month. C. He loves going hiking in the mountain.
Okay, sir, do you get number two?
It's A.
Okay,
He
A.
A twice a year.
Very good. Do you remember the question, sir? What is the question?
Often do you? How often does he go on holiday? How
Very
often?
good. How often does he go on holiday? Karena dia pakai he, jadinya kita pakai does. Very good. And let's see number three. But before that, maybe Can you read the question, sir, for this one? Number
Uh,
one.
what? Why is the woman not excited about the trip?
Okay, number two.
How often does the woman go on holiday? How
Okay,
often?
so how often berarti ini frekuensi tentang seberapa sering. Yang ini kenapa the woman tidak excited about the trip, tidak.
Are you excited? How often do you go on holiday?
Not quite often. I only go on holiday once a year.
You should spend more time for yourself.
It's fine. I don't enjoy traveling much anyway.
Number 1. Why is the woman not excited about the trip? Number 2. How often does the woman go on holiday?
I think it's she doesn't want to leave her baby at home.
Good.
Number
And then
number two, how often does the woman go on holiday? Once a year. It's D.
okay, once a year it's D. Because I don't enjoy traveling much, the woman said like that. Okay, this is for the listening part 3, sir. And let's read for listening part 4. Can you read for the questions, sir, first? Yes.
Sorry, teacher, I can't hear you. Can you repeat one more time?
Okay, how about now, sir? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I okay, sir. So, before I play the audio, can you read for the question first, sir? Number one.
What is favorite activity on holiday? How often does the woman go on holiday?
Okay, so let's find out.
So that they stay close to nature. Going hiking, going surfing, and sometimes going canoeing are my favorite activities on holiday. I enjoy doing these activities because they are fun and exciting. However, I can only go on holiday twice a year because I am busy with work. I hope to go on holiday more often next year, maybe 3 or 4 times a year.
1. What is not the woman's favorite activity on holiday? 2. How often does the woman go on holiday?
What is not the woman's favorite activity on holiday? It's D. Riding a roller coaster.
Very good. Two.
How often does the woman go on holiday? How often does the woman go on holiday? I think it's once a year.
Once a year. Okay. Do you remember, sir, why she only goes on holiday once a year?
He is very busy with work.
Yeah, very great. Because she is busy with work and she wants to go on traveling more, maybe like 3 times or 4 times a year. Okay, this is about the review here. And now let's see for our reading practicer. We have number 1 and number 2. Can you read number 1, sir, and then choose?
I go on holiday a year. I go on holiday twice a year.
Good. Twice a year. Number two.
Going on holiday to a village. Here I can learn about life as a farmer. I can I can visit a farm and learn about life as a farmer.
Okay, very good, sir. Number two and number one are correct. Number two ini boleh pakai twice, dua kali, atau sebenarnya boleh pakai two times. Tapi harus pakai S, makanya yang di ini salah. Kalau double ini dia menjelaskan tentang jumlah, ada dua kali lipat, something like that. Jadi kalau untuk frekuensi waktu, kita tidak bisa pakai. Nah, that is for this one. So, how about you, sir? How often do you go on holiday in a year?
Yeah. I think once or once a year or twice a year.
Once a year and twice a year. Very great, sir. So that is about the review here for 1 and 2. And now we have like a text here, sir, about a perfect trip, and we need to choose it. So number 1.
Uh, do you like do you like do you like go on a 5 days trip to a beautiful in Vietnam? Uh, going. It's B. It's
Going.
B.
Okay, very good, sir. Then
During these 5 days, you live and work with the locals here and learn more about their lives. Uh, being far away, being far away from the city, you can stay close to nature and travel in a different way. Are you interested? Contact us. And book this tour for you. Book this tour for your holiday.
for your holiday, very great. Walaupun holiday dan travel itu artinya sama-sama liburan, jadi kalau ini kan book this tour for your liburanmu. Jadi kita perlu noun di sini, sir. Jadi nounnya itu holiday. Atau kalau misalnya mau pakai travel juga boleh, tapi dengan catatan book this tour for your traveling. Nah, jadi dia boleh pakai ing, tapi lebih tepat itu kalau kita pakai yang holiday-nya saja di sini. Okay, so this is about the perfect trip. And how about you, sir? Where do you want to go for your next holiday?
Um, I want to holiday. I want to visit America City.
America, very great. Why do you want to go to America, sir? What do you want to do?
Kidding.
What do you want to do, sir, in America?
Mm, uh, uh, just I want bertukar suasana.
Okay, you want to change the vibes. We can say like that. Vibes itu untuk suasana. Okay, so this is about the text about a perfect trip. And let's see for the next one here. We need to choose the correct answer. So Let's see, sir, for number one, you can read it and then find dari message ini jawabannya yang mana. Number one.
One, which activity is not included in a trip to Long Beach? Aktivitas yang tidak termasuk perjalanan di pantai ya.
Yes, sir.
Camping.
Camping, very good. Karena di sini tidak ada camping, right? Only surfing, kayaking, and diving. So, number two.
What is true about the two holiday option? Apa yang benar tentang dua liburan? You don't have to pay money for the trip. So you can go hiking both trips. You can stay in house on both trips. You don't have to pay. Uh, I think it's D. You don't have to pay money for the trip to the Black Mountain.
Yes, because it's $0, all expenses paid, semua pengeluaran sudah dibayar, so we don't need to pay. Kalau ini dia salah karena we need this one, right, for each person. Hiking only for mountain. Lalu you can stay in a resort in both trip. Ini dia resort, yang ini dia camping. Jadi tidak ada di resort. Okay, so that is for the practice for today, sir. Do you have any questions, sir, for today?
Listen, where do you go on holiday next year, my teacher?
Oh, my next holiday?
Yeah, your next
Okay.
holiday.
Oh, my next holiday is on this month. I want to go to Bangkok to do something there. Okay, so next month on 20 this month, I mean, I will go there to Thailand, Bangkok. Okay, that is for my holiday this year. Itu satu-satunya holiday tahun ini. Nah, okay. Any other questions, sir?
Wait. Yes. How many days?
How many days? Only 4 days, sir. From 20 to 24. Only 4 days because I have to come back to work, like teaching like this. Okay, so only 4 days. And anything else, sir, for the questions?
No questions.
Okay, very good, right, sir. So, you did a very good job for today for the structures, the TOEIC practice, yang listening, reading, dan speaking practice. You did a very good job, sir, for today. So, thank you so much, sir, for today. Have a good day and see you next time, sir. Bye-bye.
You.
See you, sir.